Which is the correct order of events that took place during the tryout? A. Singing in a group, singing alone, interviewing with Mr. Robeson. B. Singing in a group, interviewing with Mr. Robeson, singing alone. C. Singing alone, singing in a group, interviewing with Mr. Robeson. Or D. Interviewing with Mr. Robeson, singing alone, singing in a group. Although the text is fairly long, by taking a look at our choices, we can see that they all have to do with the audition process, which can be narrowed down to paragraphs 4, 5, and 6, which I have posted here. Once we've narrowed this down, we can see right at the beginning of our text, Mr. Robeson walked in and immediately got things started. He had each boy stand up on the auditorium stage, announce himself, and sing a song. Because the text tells us that Mr. Robeson immediately got things started, we can be sure that each boy singing a song by himself was the first step of the audition process. Looking at our choices, we can see that only choice C starts with singing alone, and it is very likely our answer. Choices A and D place singing alone second, while choice B places it third. Based solely on this, it seems very likely that C is our answer. If we want to be cautious, we can double check that the rest of the stages listed in choice C go according to the sequence of the text. According to choice C, after singing alone comes singing in a group. Taking a look at the text, we can see that this is true. After the boys had finished their individual performances, Mr. Robeson put them into groups of 4 or 5 and asked them to sing again, this time as a group. And finally, interviewing with Mr. Robeson. When the groups finished singing, Mr. Robeson began the interview process. Because the events here match the sequence of events in the text, we can mark C as our final answer.